Greetings, ladies. Welcome to the show. Um, Matt Lane, Producer Hub, back in the building. This is the best 49 key MIDI keyboard. I have it right here. The Arturia Keylab. The Keylab. I've had this for about 2 years. Yeah, got it about 2 years. And about a year and a half. It's the best MIDI I ever had. Have you heard that Drake song? Baby, you're my everything. You all I ever wanted. We could so like bigger than you ever done it. We be up on everything. Other I ain't never wanted. This is the best MIDI I ever had. I love this MIDI. Like I could write a love song about this MIDI. That's how much I like it. It link in the description. Make sure you click on the link description, add it to your cart ASAP so I can get credit for that sale at no additional cost. Help me out, please. I'm telling you though, this MIDI right here, the first thing to me that really stood out is how it looks visually. And I always say, like, how it looks visually definitely matters. Like with how you're making music, I'm telling you, it just gives you that extra bit of like, okay, like it just makes you feel like better, like more professional. Like it just like you just like it like a little bit more. Um, and I absolutely know that's the case because I didn't feel that till I got this MIDI. I was like, dang, like this MIDI looks amazing, bro. Like when it lights up, it looks classy. Plug it up. Okay, fine. I wasn't planning on plugging it up, but you know, it's probably gonna lag a little bit. It's kind of what it looks like. I'm gonna show this in FL too, so but this is a gorgeous MIDI. Like just look at this thing, bro. I know you didn't click on the video just to hear me talk about how beautiful it is, but like visually, this thing is like, bro, like I absolutely love how it looks visually. It is so clean. Um, Other things I love about it are the drum pads. Drum pads are very good, very responsive. Definitely revolutionized how I make beats because I really started to use the drum pads with this MIDI. I find it very effective. Another thing I really like about this MIDI are these hotkeys right here. Like I don't know if you can see that, but it has like record button, play button. I'll show you this in FL just to demonstrate. But yeah, that feature is really nice. And the key, the size, the 49. I mean, 49 is great. I'm a pianist of over 20 years and a music producer of over 10 years, so it definitely works. I definitely make hard melodies with it. I'll play a beat that I made. Let me plug in my headphones. I prepare for these videos. Trust me. Okay. I don't know what's going on here though. Let's dive into FL and just kind of give a quick little demo here. This is Analog Lab V. I forgot to mention, this is the software that comes with the MIDI itself. So it also comes with software, and the software is high end. It's one of the better, for sure, third-party VSTs. Absolutely, it's nice. Oof, I don't have my headphones on. Hold on, give me a second. Let me pause real quick. Jesus, I can't even remember what I was doing. Let me just scroll this down so you can kind of see the MIDI in action. Oh, I was trying to put my headphones on. Hold on. Okay. What's cool is oh, you can't even see it. Gosh, dang it. I made the screen. Let me see if I can fix that, dude. I'm doing the most in this video right now. Hold on. All right. You can still see the top part here. I don't want to have to end the video then make a separate video where I just do this part. God, this thing move. Okay. You see the top part here? Like if you hit these buttons, it actually records to it. Oh, So I made that beat. We can end the track on listening to that track, which I made with this MIDI. So you can, I got really melodic with that track, so you can listen to it and decide for yourself if that's decent or not. But I went, like, you can make pretty much anything you can do with a MIDI, you can do with MIDI hands, keyboard playing, you can do with this MIDI. What else? Yeah, that's really it actually. You know, it's a great MIDI, responds well, playing wise, great knobs, looks great. I highly recommend it. I recommend this MIDI a lot when I'm talking about MIDIs. It's the MIDI. It is the MIDI. And I had 3 MIDIs before. Sorry, 2 MIDIs before this. So this is my 3rd MIDI. I learned something from each MIDI, and then I landed on this MIDI, basically, long story short. Like, I learned I need a drum pad, and I learned I need a little bit less length to match the size of my table better. So I had a 61 key. I prefer the 49 key. I think it just, like I said, it fits my table better. It leaves more space for my mic and my mouse. Let me at least get something good here. It's okay. Let me play this beat. And that's it for this video. Make sure you guys click the link in the description to get this MIDI. And thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Mute this part. Swear words. You say what? I got you. I'm waiting for another artist to fill their part there. Mock lyrics, if you will. Screw. Thank you guys for watching. It's been real. Make sure you click the link in the description. Feel free to comment if you have any questions or if you want me to cover any other topics. Thanks for watching. Peace out.